If you thought parrots were the only birds with an ear of imitation, allow me to introduce you to the lyrebird, a true rockstar of the animal kingdom. These Australian birds don't just mimic other bird songs, they can replicate chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, laser gun sounds, and even human voices. A baby crying, they do this with incredible accuracy. It's like they have their own mixtape, blending nature with everyday noise. If you ever hear a chainsaw in the middle of the forest, don't panic. It might be just a lyrebird doing perfect impression. And here's the twist. The lyrebird isn't just flexing its vocal muscles for fun. It's all about impressing the ladies. Male lyrebirds put on these epic sound shows to attract females, combining their best bird calls with the random sounds they pick up. It's like their version of serenading, except instead of guitars and smooth vocals, they are busting out chainsaw solos and camera clicks. By the way, this narration was done by a lyrebird.